Hi all, welcome to my little world of baking. Today we are going to make a cake. So today's cake recipe is a very simple and easy to make cake. We are going to make a lemon pound cake using whole wheat flour. So let's see what are the ingredients required for making this cake. Okay, now we are going to get ready with our flour. Here I've taken whole wheat flour. I'm going to add baking powder and baking soda to the flour. To which I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Now let's mix all these ingredients together thoroughly. Okay, now our flour mixture is ready. And we're going to keep it aside. So here I've taken a mixing bowl to which I'm going to add butter. Okay, so here I'm not using any fancy equipments. I'm just using a whisk. I'm just going to whip this butter until soft and fluffy. Now you can see it is soft and fluffy. Now we can see our butter is pale. At this stage I'm going to add sugar to this. Now we're going to again mix this. We're creaming both the ingredients together until it is again soft and fluffy and creamy. Now you can see our mixture is soft and creamy. At this stage we are going to add eggs one by one. So we have added our first egg. Let's combine this. Let us whip this until soft and fluffy. Okay, now we are going to add the next egg. Now let us mix this until soft, fluffy and smooth. Once this is well incorporated, we'll be adding the next egg. Okay, now I'm going to add the last egg. Now we're going to mix this until soft and fluffy. Now we can see the batter seems to be slightly curdled. If this happens, don't panic. You can add just a teaspoon of flour and then keep mixing. It's going to be again back to a smooth batter. Okay, now I'm going to add lemon zest. We need only the yellow part of the lemon. Don't add the white pith. It'll have a bitter taste. Again mix. Now I'm adding juice of half a lemon. Again mix. Now we're going to add the flour little by little. Now we are further mixing it. You can see now our cake batter is almost ready. Now after adding flour, don't over mix. Once it is smooth, you can stop it and we'll transfer the mixture to a cake pan. Now our batter is ready. Now we can see the consistency of the batter. Now I'm transferring this mixture to a greased pan. Now smooth the top with a spatula. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven. Let's place this in the oven. Now my oven is preheated and ready. Now we are going to place the cake batter inside the oven. We are going to bake this at 180 degree, say for 30 to 40 minutes. So now let's place this inside the oven. Our cake is baked and ready. I'm taking the cake out of the oven. It is ready. Let it cool. Do you see how soft it is? So this is our whole wheat lemon pound cake. I hope you all will love it. Happy baking!